So I made a topic about corporate world and entrepreneurship because you don't know that students may think about entrepreneurship rather than corporate world. So the trend right now, they're doing um, speaking engagement with professional. How could they relate in the future when they finish their courses? And what is the difference between their behavior from the school and behavior from the corporate world? So it's a more of sharing the actual experiences that encourage them to be more professional, be more proactive, and be more people centric behavior. Because right now, if we talk about millennials, Gen Z's, Gen X, and now it's Gen Alpha, no? So it's
Yes.
more of, giving them a good trends, good thoughts, good insight for them to view who they are when they got into the corporate world.